Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematica. In this lecture, we are going to find angle between two straight lines. Let's see. Let two lines are given with the slopes m1 and m2 respectively. Then the angle theta between the two lines is given by the relation tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Now let's see how to find it. Find the angle between the lines y minus square root 3x minus 5 equal to 0 and square root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So line 1 is given by y minus square root 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So its slope is given by minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is square root 3. That is m1 is square root 3. Now line 2 is square root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So slope of this line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is 1 by square root 3. So m2 is 1 by square root 3. Now we are going to find the angle between these two lines. So let theta be the angle between line 1 and line 2. Then tan theta, we know that it is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. That is m1 is, see here, square root 3 and m2 is 1 by square root 3. So this is square root 3 minus 1 by square root 3 upon 1 plus square root 3 into 1 by square root 3. That is square root 3 into square root 3, it will be 3 minus 1 by square root 3 divided by 1 plus 1, or this is 2 by 2 square root 3 or 1 by square root 3. So we get tan theta is equal to 1 by square root 3. And we get 1 by square root 3 in tan theta when, as per the trigonometric table, the theta is now 30 degree or pi by 6. Let's do another example. If the angle between two lines is given by pi by 4 or this is 45 degree, slope of one line, that is m1, is 1 by 2. We have to find the slope of the other line, that is m2. So let's see. Theta is given to be pi by 4. m1 is given to be 1 by 2. m2 we have to find. But we know the formula that tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan of 45 degree or tan pi by 4 is 1. m1 is 1 by 2, m2 we don't know. 1 plus m1 is 1 by 2, again m2 we don't know. So tan pi by 4 is 1, that is equal to mod of, see, when we solve the numerator we get 1 minus 2m2 by 2. So this is 1 minus 2m2 by 2 divided by, and the denominator becomes 2 plus m2 by 2. 2 plus m2 by 2. These two will get cancelled. So we are left with 1 is equal to mod of 1 minus 2m2 by 2 plus m2. Or we get mod of 2 plus m2 is equal to mod of 1 minus 2m2. Mod means absolute value. So if absolute value of a number is same as absolute value of other number, that gives us that they both are either equal or one is negative of other. So from here we get that 2 plus m2 is equal to 1 minus 2m2 or negative of 1 minus 2m2. So in first case, if 2 plus m2 is equal to 1 minus 2m2, then 2 minus 1 we get 1, minus 2m2 minus m2 we get minus 3m2. In this case we get that m2 is minus 1 by 3. And if 2 plus m2 is equal to negative of 1 minus 2m2. This implies 2 plus m2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2m2. Then we get 2 plus 1, 3 is equal to 2m2 minus m2 is m2. In this case, we get m2 is equal to 3. So we get two different answers are possible, that is 3 and minus 1 by 3. So that's all for now. In the next lecture, we will be doing parallel lines and perpendicular lines. How to check these two concepts. We will do that with the help of a few examples. Thank you and have a nice day.